Sir,
Good morning, sir.
morning, sir. Sir, I have a problem.
मॉर्निंग सर प्रोफाइल कैसे लगाएंगे?
मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग सर.
सर, जल्दी प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ा सा.
Okay, so we were learning, we were discussing some of the questions. Today again, we will be discussing some of the textbook questions. Okay, we will be discussing the textbook questions. Okay, and we will be discussing the textbook questions. I hope my voice is audible to all of you. And we will be discussing the textbook questions. Okay. You can see here. Okay. I will write it. You will see here. Microorganism like bacteria. You will raise your hand and you will answer it. Okay. If you wish to answer, you know the answer of this question, you will raise your hand. Okay. You will raise your hand. I will unmute you. You will come over the screen. Okay. Microorganism like bacteria and blank space spoil the food. Raise your hand. You raise your hand. All of you, only once I will give you the chance to raise your hand. Okay. Only once I will give you the chance to raise your hand. Okay. Only once I will give you the chance to raise your hand. Okay. Okay, finally. Finally, Durgesh Kumar 5C. Unmute yourself. Durgesh Kumar 5C.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Yes, tell me the answer.
Sir, fungus. Sir,
Fung or fungus? Okay,
Yes.
fungus it is. Okay. And you will continue to tell your answer. Okay. Durgesh Kumar, now mute yourself and mute yourself. Nandini Anand 5B. Nandini Anand 5B. Nandini Anand 5B, unmute yourself.
Fungi.
Nandini Anand. Fungi. Okay. Next. Mute yourself, Nandini Anand. Then Shashwat 5C. Shashwat 5C. Shashwat, unmute yourself.
Sir, fungi.
Fungi. So
Yes, sir.
I hope all of you wish to say the Swadhasri 5B. Tell me. Swadhasri.
Sir, fungi. Fungi.
Swadhasri. Are you
Sir,
sure?
fungi.
Sure. Okay. Next. All of you are saying fungi. Okay. And let me see it. What is the question? If you wish, you can also answer it in the chat mode. Okay. If you wish, you can answer it in the chat mode. Right. So let me see what will be the correct answer of this very question. Okay, microorganism like bacteria and fungi. Okay, FUNGI. What will be its answer will be FUNGI. Okay, its answer will be bacteria and bacteria and FUNGI, fungi. Okay, bacteria and fungi spoil the food. Next question it is, insects make their home in and place. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand. and as well you can also answer it in the chat mode. Okay, I am getting the answer of Akash, Shashwat, Arpit, Priya, and many of you are answering it. So Swati Kumari 5A, unmute yourself. Swati Kumari 5A, unmute yourself.
Sir, warm and moisture.
What you are saying? Warm and moisture. Warm temperature and moisture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Swati Kumari. Okay. Srishti Raj. Srishti Raj.
Sir, dark and moist.
Tell
Dark
me
and
once again. Dark and
moist.
Okay. Dark and moist. It will be moisture and warm temperature. The correct answer will be moisture and warm temperature. I hope. Okay, thank you. Sachi Kumari, Smriti Komal, Srishti Raj, Piyush Raj, Nandini Anand, Swadha Sri, Trisha Ranjan, Ritika Kumari, 5A, Nishant Anupam, Akash Raj, Rudra, Smriti Rani, Swati Kumari, 5A. Thank you all. Okay, you all have taken initiative to answer the question. Durgesh Kumar is also answering it in the private chat mode. Okay, he is saying that Sanyasri, dirt. No, dirt will not be answered. Sanya Singh, you are saying clean and fresh. No, it is not the answer. Sudhasri, I also know the answer of the two. Okay. आनंद विशाल, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है? No, मेरी आवाज तो आ रही है अभी. You must be hearing my voice. Okay. Next. Okay. So what will be its correct answer? Its correct answer will be moisture and warm temperature. Let me write it here. Okay. Correct answer will be. Correct answer will be. Let's see here. Moisture. The correct answer will be moisture. Okay, correct answer will be moisture. And second, warm temperature. Okay, moisture and warm temperature. I hope you have seen it. Correct answer will be moisture and warm temperature. Okay. Will it be good to you all? Next. Enzyme can be harmful because they can cause. What will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Okay. Raise your hand. Okay. Sachi, Smriti Komal, Shashwat, Swadhasri, Shashti Raj, Trisha Ranjan, Piyush Raj, Ayushi, Ritika Kumari, Shyamli Kumari, Bharti Kumari, Rudra, Akash, 5A, Nishant Anupam. All of them are raising the hand. Let me ask with the Nishant Anupam. Okay, Nishant Anupam, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Tell the answer.
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा सर.
मेरा आवाज तो जा रहा है.
सर इधर तक नहीं आ रहा, कट कट के आ रहा है.
चलो तो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है ना. That is your problem.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you know the answer, I can hear you. If you know the answer, you can speak.
क्या सर?
I can hear you. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. I can hear you. If you know the correct answer, you can go ahead. You can speak.
सर नहीं आ रहा आवाज.
Look for it. Mute yourself. Many of you have raised the hand. Lavanya 5A. Wait. I will unmute you. Risharanjan 5D, I have asked once. Shamli Kumari. Shamli Kumari. Shamli,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer of that very question? If you know the answer of that question,
What's up? Sit down.
do you know the answer of the question that insect
What's that?
enzyme can be harmful because they can cause, what will be the answer? A spoilage. Okay, they can cause a spoilage. Okay, I will not take your much of time. I will not take your much of time. It will be a spoilage. Okay, I can see many of you have answered it in the chat mode also. Okay, enzyme can be. Can you tell me what is the real work of the enzymes in the fruit and vegetable? Can you tell me what is the work of the enzymes in fruit and vegetable? Raise your hand. What is the work of enzymes? Can you tell me what are the work of enzyme? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Smriti Komal. Yusraj 5A. Yusraj 5A. Tell me what is work of enzyme?
Yes,
Tell me.
sir. Sir,
बोलिए.
chemical present in fruit and vegetable seed of chemical change in them.
What is effect of enzyme in fruit and vegetable?
Sir.
What is enzyme of action of?
Sir, spoils the food.
No. You are wrong. Enzyme causes the ripening of fruit. Okay. Enzyme causes the ripening of fruit. Sachi Kumari, unmute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Sachi Kumari, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the function of enzymes?
Enzymes are the chemicals that are present in all fruits and vegetables. They are useful because they cause ripening of fruits.
They
When
cause.
they ripen, they change their color and become sweets. This happens because of the action of enzymes.
Okay, and what happens when there are more enzymes present?
सर क्या
अभिज्ञान शर्मा उठकर पढ़ो, सोकर नहीं पढ़ना है. अभिज्ञान शर्मा उठकर बैठकर पढ़ो, ठीक है? What will happen if more enzyme what will happen when more enzymes are developed in the fruits and vegetables?
Sir, it becomes sour, bitter in taste.
Okay, and it also get spoiled. Okay, next question. Down, lower your hand. Next question, enzyme ke okay. Snacks like biscuit and chips should be stored in. Tell me. Should be stored in.
Sir, मैं बताऊं?
Go ahead.
Sir, airtight.
Airtight. Okay. So it should be stored in airtight jar. Okay. Biscuit and chips should be stored in airtight jar. Okay. It should be stored in airtight jar. Airtight. Okay. No. Why it is kept in the airtight jar? Who will answer this question? Why it is kept in the airtight jar? Why? Who will answer? Why it is Swadha? Will you like to answer? I can see you are raising your hand. Nandini 5, Nandini Anand 5B. Unmute yourself, Nandini Anand. Unmute yourself. Tell me.
Sir, may
Nandini
I?
Anand. Nandini Anand. Nandini Anand. Aditya Kumar, roll number 5. Aditya Kumar 5B, roll number 5. Will you like to answer?
Sir, low temperature.
May I?
Sir,
What you
low
were saying?
temperature.
Low temperature. No. चलो मैं बता दे रहा हूँ. ठीक है. Let's discuss the question. Okay. Shashi Kumari wish to say. Let me give it. Sharanjan, if you want to say. Sharanjan, unmute yourself. So tired. Sharanjan, say.
Contact with moisture in the air.
Okay. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay. चलो. Next. बता देंगे, क्वेश्चन लिखवा देंगे. ठीक है. चलो. The growth of microorganisms slow down at what will be its answer? Low temperature. Okay, its answer will be low temperature. Okay. Growth of, if you know the answer, you can answer it in the chat mode also. Okay. You will write true or false. Okay. Load down your hand. I'm not going to accept your. I'm not going to ask. You will answer it in the chat mode because time is very less. Okay. You will write true or false. Growth of bread mold. Growth of bread mold on bread indicate that it has got a spoiled. Is it true or false? Yes, most of you are saying it is true. When you are saying true, I am also saying it that it is true. Okay, all of you are saying it true. I will also say it true. I will tick it. Okay, it is true. Vinegar is used as a preservative. Next question. Vinegar is used as a preservative. Whether it is true or false. I'm getting the answer of Shashwat, Ritika, Arpit, Sachi, Trisha Ranjan, Abhiraj, Srishtiraj, Kases, Sachi Kumari. Abu Salman, your answer is wrong. Aditya Kumar, true. True. Answer is, and Arab Kumar, your answer is wrong. You have said false. Okay. And Asu Kumar, your answer is also wrong. You have said false. Okay. So vinegar is used as a food preservative. This is correct. Okay. It is safe to drink unpasteurized milk. It is safe to drink unpasteurized milk. Now question number 3, B3. Question number B3. It is safe to drink unpasteurized milk. It is safe to drink unpasteurized milk. Okay. Tell me. Tell me the answer. Who will say? Okay. Priyanshu Kumar, 5B. Sorry, Shyamli. Your answer is wrong. Family, your answer is wrong. And all of you have answered it. It is correct. Okay. So all of you have told false. When you are saying it false, I am also saying it false. Okay. Okay. Next question. We can eat more than the required quantity. We can eat more than the required quantity. Is it true or false? Okay. I hope all of you are giving the answer. Okay. Very good. Everybody. Arab Kumar, again your answer is wrong. Again you have answered it wrong. Arab Kumar, come on the screen. Let me see you where you are. Arab Kumar. Arab. I can see many of you have raised the hand. Swada Sri Ayushi. Okay. Bharti Ayush. Okay. Very good. Arab, raise your hand. Where you are? Ayush. Okay. Arab, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Wait 1 minute. Wait one
Yes, sir.
minute. Where you are? Oh, you are the Arab. Why you are? Your two of the questions are wrong. Okay. Why it is like this?
Yes, sir.
Simultaneously you have answered two question wrong. समझ में नहीं आई है बाबू?
वो तो सर उतना नहीं समझ आ था अच्छे से.
If you are facing any problem, you can ask with me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो ठीक है. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Next. Okay. Next question. Come to the next question. Okay. The next question is growth of microorganisms slow down at that I have told. We can eat more than required quantity. We may eat a spoiled food rather than wasting it. What will be it answer? What will be it answer? Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Thank you. So let's do it in the okay. You will read. One student will be there, whom I should say. Sachi, where is? Down your hand, everybody. Lower your hand. Down, everybody. Sachi, raise your hand. Sachi, raise your hand. Okay. So I am unmuting you. Okay. You will read all the question right from fill in the blank to true or false. Okay. I'm unmuting you. Okay. I have unmuted you again. Okay. Now you will read all the question right from beginning. I will write here. Okay. Chalo. I will write here and I will give it to you in your WhatsApp also. Okay. Question. Okay, what is fill in the blank now? First one is fill in the blank. Sachi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fill up the blank. Read the first question. Read the first question.
Microorganisms like bacteria and dash spoil the food.
Wait. Micro microorganism
Like
like
bacteria
bacteria
and
and
dash
it will dash
spoil the
dash it is fungus na fungi
no sir fungi.
spoil spoil the food. Okay, so this is the this is the okay spoil the food. So next, come to the next question.
Insects
question.
make their home
Insects
make
their home
in
insects make their home in
dash and dash places.
dash and dash. So what
Yes,
will be
sir.
it correct in dash and dash? Okay, what will be it correct answer?
Dark and warm temperature.
Moist and warm temperature. Okay, dark and dark, moist, and warm. Okay, its correct answer will be
Dark and blue.
this. Okay. Okay. Next question.
Enzymes can be harmful because
Enzymes can be harmful because
they can cause
they can cause
dash of fruits and vegetables.
okay they can cause a spoilage of fruits and vegetables. Okay, next.
Yes. Snacks like
Hmm?
snacks like
Snacks. Oh, snacks. Snacks like
biscuits and chips
biscuits and chips. Hmm?
should be
Biscuits and chips should be
stored in
stored in
dash jars. सर आंसर एयर टाइट होगा.
I hope you have got me. Can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Tell me, what will be the correct answer?
Air tight.
Air, T-I in here. Okay, it should be placed in the airtight container. Okay, next question E. Tell me.
The growth
of
microorganisms
microorganism
slows down at
slow is the answer na
no sir.
slow
Sir low is the answer.
huh?
Low is the
Growth
answer.
of microorganism slow down at temperature
Dash
at
low.
low slow down at low temperature. Okay,
Yes.
so its answer is at low. Okay, next.
Sir next तो true or false है. growth of
चलो, I hope you can you hear me?
yes sir,
Tell me the questions.
growth of
Uh, growth of
bread
Hmm.
molds.
Fastly, you speak fast. Grow bread and mold.
सर ब्रेड एंड नहीं होगा सर, ब्रेड माउल्स होगा सर, ब्रेड
Okay,
माउल्स
जल्दी जल्दी बोलते जाओ. हाँ हाँ
indicates that
हाँ.
it has got spoiled.
Okay, next. This is question number A now.
Yes sir.
Next.
Vinegar is used as preservative.
VIN. Vinegar is next.
Used as preservative.
हाँ,
It is safe to drink unpasteurized milk.
is safe to drink unpasteurized milk. Okay, next.
We can eat more than required quantity.
We can eat more than required quantity. Next.
We may eat spoiled food rather than wasting it.
Mm,
We may eat spoiled food rather than wasting it.
wasting it. Okay. So what will be the all the answers? It is okay.
So
It
first
is
का true, second
true.
का true, third
Wait
का
करो.
false,
First one is
true,
true. Second one is
true.
true. So the remark. Okay, already said it. Okay. Control that.
Third
Control
is
C.
false.
Okay. And third is false. Okay.
Fourth is false.
Fourth is also false.
Fifth is false.
Fourth is also false. And fifth is also false. Next question it is match the following now.
No sir, tick the correct option.
Yes. Take the correct options.
सर उसका
Take the
फर्स्ट
correct
वाला हमको नहीं पता है.
Wait. Now. Okay. Now. I hope you can now see the screen. Okay. Do you have anybody of you? Do you have any problem in this? I have unmuted you. If you know the if you have any problem, one by one you can say.
No,
One by
sir. No, sir. No,
no
sir.
problem.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
सर मेरे से मतलब कि
sir.
नो सर सर तो फाइल कैसे प्रिंट
No,
कर नहीं
sir.
समझ में आता है
Okay.
सर आपके जैसे
Let's.
ऑप्शन नहीं रहता है
No, sir. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
चलो अब हम लोग दूसरा क्वेश्चन. हाँ बोलो.
नो सर
तो समझ में आ गया.
यस
सर
सर आ
सबका
गया
म्यूट. सर सबका अनम्यूट कीजिए, बहुत हल्ला हो रहा है.
ओके.
म्यूट कर दो.
यस
म्यूट
सर
करें या म्यूट करें.
सर
म्यूट करें
अनम्यूट
या
कर
म्यूट
दीजिए
करें.
लगाई अनम्यूट कर दीजिए फाइल कैसे लगाया सर म्यूट कर दीजिए ऑप्शन नहीं देता है हम लोग को
Okay. Now take the correct options. Okay. Now we will solve the next question. Okay. Take the correct options. Wait 1 minute. Let them make noise. little noise are okay. Okay. Now, okay. Again, I am going to share the screen. Okay. Again, I am going to share the screen. You can see the questions here. Okay. I will give you this. Okay. Now, if you want to answer the question, you can use it. Okay. Now see, natural insect repellents found in our kitchen is, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Tell me. Can you hear me? First question. Sachi, tell me. I have unmuted you. What will be the natural insect repellent found in our kitchen is insect repellent. Repellent का मतलब क्या हो गया? Repellent का यहाँ पर मतलब हो जाएगा, हम लिख देते हैं, ठीक है, रुक जाओ. Repellent का मतलब यहाँ पर, repellent means, wait 1 minute. Okay, I will write it here. Okay. Repellent का मतलब यहाँ पर, repellent means REPELLENT. repellent मतलब दूर भगाना. repellent का मतलब दूर भगाना, भगाने वाला. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. repellent का मतलब समझ में आ गया क्या हो गया? तो बताओ इसका क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर? You raise your hand. Many of you have raised your hand.
Sir, wheat flour.
Sir, wheat flour.
Wheat flour.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Now you can answer me, Swati Kumari, 5A. Swati Kumari. If you wish, you can answer it. Only 1 minute is left. Hello, its correct answer will be wheat flour. Okay. Wheat flour. Okay. And dry food like cereals and nuts are preserved by, okay, what will be correct answers? Okay, I am unmuting all of you. Okay, if you wish, you can answer it. I am unmuting all of you. If you make noise, don't make noise. Okay, vacuum packing.
Sir, vacuum
Vacuum packing. Vacuum packing.
Sir, vacuum packing.
Vacuum packing. Vacuum packing.
Vacuum packing. Okay, I got it.
Next enzymes होगा.
Sir, next enzymes.
Sir, next enzymes होगा. Sir, next enzymes होगा.
Will be
Sir,
enzymes. Okay.
fourth का biscuits होगा. Sir, fourth का biscuits होगा.
Okay, ठीक है, correct.
Sir, सबसे last की low temperature. Sir, सबसे last का low temperature होगा.
List.
Sir, सबसे last
Wait.
का low temperature.